going to show you an experiment with a boat. I have made a boat with my Legos, and I have sticked 2 pencils on the side of the cup. And then, to support them, I have put some rubber bands. And I'm going to put the stick through the back rubber band. Now I'm going to leave it in water. Let's see how this elastic-powered boat works. Do you know why? It's because of 2 things. Potential and kinetic energy, and Newton's 3rd law of motion. Let's first learn potential and kinetic energy in our experiment. When we twist the stick in this elastic, then potential energy is stored in the stick. So when we leave it in water, then the potential energy which is stored in the stick turns into kinetic energy and makes the boat move forward. Now let's learn about the second thing, Newton's 3rd law of motion. When the stick pushes the water backwards, it's called action. So the boat moves forward. That's called reaction. It also happens when you swim in water. You also swim in the swimming pool. When you swim, it also happens because of Newton's 3rd law of motion. You push the water backward, which makes you move forward. Isn't it interesting? Let's watch more interesting facts in the next video. Until then, bye-bye!